Good morning from Maebashi. Right now I'm walking right next to the Tone River, the Tonegawa. This is the second longest river in Japan. As you can tell, it is super flooded. It looks like milk tea. Yesterday we got hit with a really big typhoon. Typhoon number 19, Hagibis. I don't really know how to pronounce it, but it rolled through Japan, and luckily here in Gunma, here in Maebashi, we didn't get hit too hard. We just got dumped on. We got tons and tons of rain. The wind wasn't too bad. I got out yesterday and walked around a bit. Probably wasn't the smartest thing to do, but it was, like I said, the wind wasn't too bad. It was just raining really hard. So towards the end of the night, the rain kind of died down, and then the wind picked up quite a bit. And that's when I kind of got worried. But you know, like I said, it wasn't too bad here. Some other places in Japan got hit really hard. The news looked terrible.
夕方から夜にかけて伊豆半島付近に上陸する可能性が高い台風19号。
交差点の中にあるマンホールから勢いよく水が噴き出ています。
ご覧の通りスクランブル交差点はほとんど人がいません。
でしょうか、建物が崩壊しています。
冠水してしまっている様子が確認できます。また辺りを見回してみますと、
Luckily here in beautiful Gunma, it wasn't too bad. But I just wanted to come up here today and check out this river. As you can tell, it's actually gone down quite a bit. Last night it came all the way up here. It might even came up here where the sidewalk is that I'm walking on right now. Well, actually I went out twice last night. I went out while it was still light outside to get some footage, and then last night I wanted to get out again just to see, because I kept getting these warnings on my phone saying that the area that I live in, you need to evacuate, you need to take refuge. And I'm, you know, got kind of nervous, got kind of worried. And so I just wanted to come and check out this river. I didn't take my camera because this GoPro doesn't take very good footage in the dark. And so I just walked up, and I walked up where that bridge is over there. And like I said, the street up there next to the river was overflowed. And like I said, at that point it probably came up all the way up here. So even though it's really flooded right now, it's not as bad as it was, and that's a good thing. That's a good thing. Everybody coming to check out the river. That's the thing to do today. You got to come and check out the river and check out how much milk tea is flowing. I don't know, for one of the biggest typhoons to ever hit Japan, I would expect a lot more debris out, but it's not too bad. It's not too bad, actually. I mean, even this guy can go out for a cruise.